Hey, you. Let's talk kingdom principles. Joshua 6:20 says, when the people heard the trumpet and made a loud shout, the wall collapsed. Now, here's the principle. Heaven responds to sound and frequency. Think about it like this. Sound carries. One voice crying out is powerful, but when voices rise together, the frequency increases. That's why God tells us to shout, to cry out, to pray aloud, to sing, because it's not just noise, it's a signal that reaches heaven. So, what do? Find a circle of believers. Lift your voices together. Become one sound, one voice, and watch walls fall, chains break, and heaven move on earth.